Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok multi-language subtitle feature. To watch videos with auto-translated subtitles with multiple languages, all you have to do is tap on your profile once you open your application. Then head to this menu or your horizontal lines on the top right hand side. From there you should be able to find setting and privacy option. Go ahead and tap on it, and from there tap on the language option under the content and display. Now once you tap on this language option, you should be able to find this always translate post. Go ahead and tap on this and enable it, and also you can also find this translate into option. Go ahead and tap on it, then select your desired language from here. Now once you select it, all you have to do is, as you can see, the done button just showed up on the top right. Go ahead and tap on it, and your videos that you see will be automatically translated to your specific language preference. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.